Listen. And true love gahulat.
Ang true love gahulat, hindi magdali, hindi magdalagan. Ang true love gahulat, kung para sa imo maabot na.
Ang true love gahulat.
No rush, no pressure.
Ang true love gahulat.
God writes it better.
Everybody say find someone now, pero hindi ko ya pressured somehow. They say swerte kung may uyab ka, pero mas swerte kung may direction ka. Swipe left, swipe right, love fast, break fast every night. Pero hindi ko ya sugal ang heart.
Okay, once broken, it's hard to restart.
Yeah.
Patience over panic. Purpose over romantic. Better single and growing than taking but not knowing.
Ain't true love gahulat.
Ang true love gahulat, hindi magdali, hindi magdalagan. Ang true love gahulat, kung para sa imo maabot na.
Ang true love gahulat.
No rush, no pressure.
Ang true love gahulat.
God writes it better.
I don't need validation
Patient,
or relationship rotation.
patient.
Hey, I'm worth go any self-status. It's rooted deep in my Jesus.
Not every attention is intention. Not every feeling is direction. If it's real, it will stay.
Yeah.
If it's forced, walk away.
I'd rather wait in peace than cry every week.
I'd rather build my name than beg for someone to stop.
True love gahulat.
Hindi magdalagan, hindi magdali, hindi magdalagan. Ang true love gahulat, kung para sa imo maabot na. Ang true love gahulat, no rush, no pressure. Ang true love gahulat, God writes it better. Kung para sa imo maabot na. Kung hindi para sa imo, let it go na. Oh, ang true love gahulat, no rush, no pressure. Ang true love gahulat, God writes it better. God, ang true love gahulat, sing it louder. God, ang true love gahulat, God writes it better. God, sing it louder. God, ang true love gahulat, God writes it better.